Welcome back to Good Day Stateline. This morning we're learning all about Stateline Mental Health with two awesome ladies. First, we're getting to know Stephanie. Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning.
So tell me a little bit about Stateline Mental Health. What is it?
Stateline Mental Health Services is a mental health clinic in downtown Beloit. It opened in November 2014 with just me doing therapy with an office assistant in a room that we rented in a building down the street. We grew extremely quickly, unbelievably, which told us there was a need there. We knew there was a need in the community, but we had no idea that it was going to blow up like it has. So here we are, 5.5 years later, we own our own building. We actually just expanded and bought the building next door, so we keep growing. And our staff we have 16 therapists and 6-7 support staff to help us.
That's great.
So yeah.
So tell me about the services you provide.
We provide counseling, so talk therapy services for people of all ages, individuals, children, adolescents, adults, regardless of age, background, anything. And we also service like couples, families, so we see everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah.
And tell me about the staff and the training that goes along with it.
Okay, so all of our clinicians are master's level clinicians, so they're either LPCs, licensed professional counselors, or LCSWs, licensed clinical social workers. Their specialties range, oh my goodness, we have so many cool things. People who specialize in working with kiddos. I kind of specialize with working with families. We have people who do Christian-based work. We offer some special treatments such as EMDR, which is eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, a lot of words there.
Yeah.
Brain spotting, lots of trauma work. So yeah, we have people who can, that's why I say we can serve almost anyone, because everybody has, sort of their own niche, which is really nice.
That is great. And you have so much going on there that there's actually two wonderful ladies that we are going to meet today. Yes. So we're going to say goodbye to Stephanie and we're going to meet Samantha next. All right, so we're also introducing you to Sam. She's also with Stateline Mental Health. Sam, tell me how you're serving clients right now with COVID-19 going on.
So I'm one of our school-based therapists in the Clinton School District, which is a small district outside of Beloit. Right now I'm doing virtual therapy with a lot of my kiddos ages 6 to 17 years old right now.
And so Zoom calls, Skype calls, or are you doing phone calls too?
Yep, so with little kids I don't do phone calls. I like to see them face to face.
Makes sense.
I've been on a lot of field trips in their homes. But yeah, able to do the Zoom, FaceTime sometimes, whatever's easiest to meet the client's needs.
Technology really helping out right now.
Yep.
And so since that's your specialty, tell me just a little bit about anxiety and depression in children and what service you provide for them, because it's got to be a little different than the adult field.
Yeah, absolutely. So the anxiety has increased significantly right now during this pandemic, especially with the teenagers that I've noticed and kiddos who are unsure if they're going back to school this fall and coming up with a plan of how they're going to manage that anxiety. So anxiety is a lot of educating and developing coping skills that they can use in the home environment or processing some school stuff that might be changing this fall.
Yeah, we do think a lot as adults about all the things going on and the decisions we have to make, but when it comes to kids, it's almost like everything's being made for them. So maybe even children that weren't seeing you before, this might be a good time for them to call you and see if there's a chance that you could help.
Absolutely. We are very connected with our schools and with our community. We try to get out there as much as possible with advertising and good word of mouth too. So we're in 7 school districts now.
Wow, okay.
We just added on the Milton School District, and so we're in Broadhead, Clinton, Edgerton, Evansville, Parkview, Milton, and Broadhead.
You got them all.
Yeah, all of them.
All right, so if anyone wanted to contact Stateline Mental Health, where could they go?
They could go to our website at statelinemhs.com, or they could contact our office directly at 608-368-8087, or they could even go through their school counselors.
Perfect. All right, Sam. Well, thank you so much for joining me this morning. Up next on Good Day Stateline, your skin needs some pampering this summer, and celeb beauty blogger Emily L. Foley is telling us all about new products we should try out, and later, reindeer, a baby fox, and so much fun at Summerfield Zoo. We'll be right back.